Hello everyone, welcome to another video of 5-minute solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on WhatsApp. For that, first you have to open your WhatsApp app on your phone. After opening WhatsApp app, you have to click on the three dot icon at top right corner. Then you have to click on settings. After that, you have to click on account option. Then you have to go to privacy. Here you will find some options. You have to click on last seen. You have to change this option to appear offline in WhatsApp. For appearing offline in WhatsApp, you have to click on the nobody option here. You can also turn off the read receipts option. If you turn off the read receipt option, then people won't find if you are reading their messages or not. That's how you can appear offline to your family, friends and contacts on WhatsApp. Hit the like button, comment and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.